How to get Google search bar back on Android screen. First of all, you need to press and hold for 3 seconds on blank screen on your mobile. At the bottom, you will easily find the widget panel where you need to select widgets option. And from here, you need to scroll down. Now look for the Google search bar and then as you can see here Google option. You simply need to choose 4:1 Google and tap on it. And as you can see that it has appeared on your home screen. You can easily adjust it anywhere you'd like to. And with that, you have successfully get Google search bar back on Android screen. Lastly, tap down button at top right once you are done and you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.